My name is Mariah Sanchez. I'm a licensed esthetician and licensed educator. I'm located in Gilbert, Arizona, and I am so thankful that I found Zemits. I purchased the HydroVerstand and the OxiVelour for my treatment room. I've been licensed for over 12 years, so I have a lot of experience with different machines and equipment, and I mean it when I say that Zemits has been the best decision that I've ever made for my business. I know as an educator myself how important it is to feel confident when operating these types of machines and feeling comfortable using them on clients. And I feel like the educational piece that Zemits offers is just something that I've never experienced. I was given an online course so I really could read everything, and also had a one-on-one call with someone who walked me through the machine and made sure that I knew how to operate everything. Not only that, but the staff is all licensed estheticians, so when you call and ask questions, they really answer, and they know how to answer from the standpoint of an esthetician. When I first brought in these machines, the difference in my client's skin from even just 1 or 2 treatments was amazing. And because of that, my clients were telling their friends who were coming in for these awesome, innovative treatments as well. This has really helped me to just grow and expand my business.